My name is Gloria Aubergine, and this is South Carolina's next best puppeteer! Alright, y'all, let's bring our next contestant out. Ambrosia, sorry, that's my name. Ambrosia and her lovely puppet Felix.
Sorry, I'm a little nervous.
Don't worry, Ambrosia. I'll support you.
Thanks, Felix.
Baby, when I met you, there was peace unknown. I set out to find you with the fine-tooth comb. There was something about you. You had something going on.
Stop! This is ridiculous! This is clearly a man dressed as a puppet! This is not puppetry!
No, this is my puppet Felix. I made him out of driftwood.
I'm 5 years old.
Okay, well, it surely feels like a man. This is a human.
Elmer, you had your chance. Now go backstage. Now!
Come on, Charlie.
Islands in the stream, that is what we are. Nowhere in between, how could we be wrong? Sail away with me.
Stop! This is impossible. They are singing at the same time.
She has a great talent!
You promised that you would crack down on tomfoolery this year. Puppetry is unserious art form. I am sick and tired of losing getting second place with some phony who besmirches the name of good puppetry.
Elmer, that was your excuse last year. Now you need to go backstage before you are disqualified.
Fine. Come on, Charlie.
No more will you cry, baby, I will hurt you never. We started and never we'll ever, we can ride it together. Making love
Stop! This is weird! This is clearly two humans who have some sort of puppetry fetish. You know, this is not okay since it's against the rules.
No, Felix is a real puppet.
Oh, then take him off your arm.
I don't think we need to do anything drastic.
He's just pretending to be dead. See? My God.
Hey! You get back here on that sonic towel! Oh, your televised scouting career is over!
Felix!
Oh, Ambrosia, there was nothing out there. My soul was being ripped to shreds by the void. There is no God.
Oh, Felix! I'm so happy you're back. I love you.
Should we finish our song?
And we can ride it together. From one lover to another.
All right, y'all, let's keep this going with our next contestant, Jess.